In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and use a CRM system within ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to streamline your processes, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision, ensuring you can harness the full potential of ClickUp for your business needs. First, let's start by navigating to ClickUp. Open your browser and log into your ClickUp account, where you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your command center, where all your tasks, projects, and communications come together. Being familiar with this space will greatly enhance your efficiency as we proceed. Now, let's move to the Spaces section. Here, you'll notice a visible plus sign, usually found at the top or alongside existing spaces. Clicking on this plus sign allows you to create a new space. Think of spaces like departments or major projects. Their main purpose is to organize everything neatly so you can easily manage different areas of your work. Once you've clicked on the plus sign, you'll be given several options. Look for the Use Templates button and click on it. Templates are valuable tools in ClickUp. They provide a preset structure, which can save you significant time and effort, especially if you're setting up something complex like a CRM from scratch. Next, use the search bar to type CRM. Type it in and watch as ClickUp filters through its templates to show ones specifically designed for CRM management. These templates are crafted to include all fundamental components needed for customer relationship management, making them an excellent starting point. After locating the CRM template, it's time to select it by clicking on Use Template. At this stage, you're not just adopting a template, but laying the groundwork for your CRM structure. This template includes tasks, lists, and tools, all tailored to streamline managing customer relations. With the template loaded, you'll need to enter a space name. Here, consider naming it something relevant to the CRM purpose, something intuitive that reflects the space's function within your organization. Naming conventions are important because they ensure clarity and consistency across your ClickUp experience. Finally, you'll see a prompt again to click Use Template. By clicking this, you confirm your settings, and ClickUp will create the space with the CRM structure you've selected. This step brings everything together, effectively setting up a space where you and your team can manage relationships, track customer interactions, and improve your workflow significantly. And there you have it. You've now set up a CRM within ClickUp, a powerful tool that can help you manage your customer data efficiently and improve communication within your team. Feel free to explore further customizations within the space to better align with your unique business processes. Happy ClickUpping!